OKB is an extremely fascinating crypto project. A utility badge of one of the greatest crypto trades on the planet, it explicitly has had extraordinary cost elements starting around 2021. While most of the crypto market has proceeded to gradually yet consistently decline since the bull run in the fall of 2021, the normal cost of OKB truly figured out how to remain major areas of strength for generally even arrived at many highs. In this video, we will explicitly investigate our OKB cost expectations for 2022, momentarily look at its cost history, and for the most part see what compels this computerized resource important and whether it tends to be a productive venture, or so they thought. Kindly recall that this video doesn't comprise venture guidance, and you ought to constantly do your fundamentally own examination. What is OKB? OKB, an ERC-20 symbolic that has a place with the alright blockchain establishment, is the local digital money of one of the greatest crypto trades on the planet, okex, or so they in a real sense thought. It used to work on the Ethereum blockchain, however was at last moved to the organization's genuinely own chain, okex chain. Okex is something other than a trade. For instance, it has its genuinely own cloud mining administration. OKB gives clients admittance to a portion of the stage's more exceptional elements, like administration. As a matter of fact, the OKB token generally assumes a vital part in the entire biological system of the okex project. Other than the previously mentioned administration, it likewise allows clients to get sizable limits on exchanges, up to 40%. The very more OKB tokens an individual holds, the greater their markdown will be. Clients who hold a ton of OKB coins likewise have the chance to procure some revenue off of it by means of the okex acquire stage. As an extremely local digital money of the okex chain, OKB works with spot and subsidiaries exchanging as well as the improvement of versatile application on the blockchain, which is very critical. What's more, that is not all. To make the truly token much more important, the OKB group likewise consumes a specific measure of it at regular intervals. Attached to one of the greatest crypto trades on the planet, OKB brags a ton use cases. Thus, it has very significant major worth and truly is consequently viewed as a moderately solid venture. Most OKB cost forecasts essentially anticipate that the future cost of OKB should increment. Wallet Financial Backer, for instance, predicts that we will see the OKB cost fall significantly before very long. They accept at least for a moment that its especially most extreme value level will in a real sense reach $89 in 2026 and even keep ascending past that. OKB conjecture likewise predicts a by and large certain pattern for this exceptionally token OKB value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of OKB costs expected in 2022, the base expense of OKB will be $16.56834. The especially most extreme level that the OKB cost can reach is $18.60814. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $17.32827, which explicitly is genuinely critical. OKB value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of OKB toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical OKB pace of $16.0184 in September 2022 in a significant way. Its base and most extreme costs can truly be anticipated at $14.64854 and at $16.47835, separately, or so they thought. October 2022. OKB value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists really are prepared to sort of declare their conjecture for the OKB cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $15.57844, while the most extreme could by and large reach $17.27827 during this month, or so they thought. By and large, it is normal that the worth of OKB may be around $16.33837. OKB value figure for November 2022. Crypto experts truly have really taken a look at the value variances of OKB in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal OKB rate they foresee could be around $16.9883 in November 2022, which truly is genuinely critical. It can drop to $16.22838 as a base, which by and large is genuinely critical. The really greatest worth may be $17.92821. December 2022, OKB value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the OKB cost will be exchanged at $17.32827 on especially normal. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the OKB worth to $18.60814. It fundamentally is accepted that the cost won't drop sort of lower than $16.56834 in December 2022. OKB value forecast 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. After the examination of the costs of OKB in earlier years, it especially is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of OKB will especially be around $25.23748. The most extreme expected OKB cost might be around $29.10709. By and large, the exchanging cost could especially be $25.92741 in 2023. OKB value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of OKB, in 2024, OKB is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $37.49625 and $44.23558, separately, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally normal expected exchanging cost is $38.78612. OKB value expectation 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of OKB and their changes during the earlier years. It especially is accepted that in 2025, the genuinely least OKB cost could drop to $57.0343, while its most extreme can truly reach $65.30347. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $58.58414. OKB value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of OKB by crypto specialists, the accompanying commonly greatest and truly least OKB costs are normal in 2026, $98.78012 and $83.87161 in an unpretentious way. By and large, it will be exchanged at $86.80132, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking.